coding and decoding. First we have to write alphabets A to M, N to Z. Then after giving numbering 1 to 13, 14 to 26. First question. In a code, BILL is coded as DKNN. Then the code word for scent, SENT. In that code is answer BILL. In this first letter is B. B after one letter D. Next I. I after one letter K. K. Next L. L after one letter we get N. L. L after one letter N. Next similarly SENT code S. S after one letter S after one letter U. Next E. E after one letter G. G. Next N. N after one letter P. P. Next T. T after one letter V. Second question. If COME is coded as XLNV, then WZGV in that code is answer COME. C. First letter is C. C के opposite letter X. C के opposite letter X. Next O. O के opposite letter. O के opposite letter L. So L. Next M के opposite letter N. So N. Next E. E के opposite letter V. E के opposite letter V. Similarly W, Z, G, V. W की opposite letter W की opposite letter D. Next Z, Z की opposite letter A. Z की opposite letter A. Next G, G की opposite letter G की opposite letter T. Next V, V की opposite letter E. Third question. If NATURE is coded as MASUQE, then FAMINE